just recently, a study have shown that all DNA bases have been found in carbon-based meteorites. Therefore, our ingredients in DNA exist prior to the concept of panspermia, that the planet was actually inseminated by these carbon-based meteorites that went into the earth as a womb and then begin to grow single cellular and multicellular organisms within the oceans of this earth. So we understand that the earth is a womb itself. Okay. And what you plant inside the earth, life grows out of it. And so is the black woman. The black woman is the womb. She's actually the womb of God. She's actually how God in the physical form, the supreme intelligence, the supreme all intelligence that travels to this plane in the form of carbon-based seeds, goes into not only the womb of the planet Earth, but then we reenact that same process through our seed into the womb of the woman, and then she brings forth life. So the earth and the black woman is one and the same. They come in different forms, but they are actually one and the same. They are wombs that then grow the material to bring forth God in the physical form.
Wow. Wow. I'm just, man, that's deep. Family, make sure you are writing this down. Make sure you are taking notes. All right. And if you learned anything thus far, make sure that you click the link in our bio and subscribe to our YouTube channel. This whole interview will be uploaded on YouTube. Powerful, powerful. Now, the Honorable Minister Louis Farrakhan, he did a lecture on birthing a God, or how to birth a God. Powerful lecture. All right, you can also look that up on YouTube as well. So in your opinion, how can the womb man, right? Talking about the woman, how can the woman birth a God?
Right. Well, first and foremost is you have to take care of self, right? We have what I call infinite genetics.
Okay.
Our genotype, when you deal with our DNA and the components that make up our DNA, it's from particles and minerals that existed forever. You understand? From our flesh to our cellular life to the atomic life, to the life of particles, back to stars, prior to stars, gas clouds, prior to the infinite blackness of the supreme all that gave birth to all. This is what we are in many of the different forms that we transform in on our way to this particular plane. So when you take the original woman, the aboriginal woman, she has these infinite genes within her. Now, there's a thing called epigenetics. Now, what epigenetics is, you have the ability to turn genes on and turn genes off based on your environment. So based on what you eat, what you drink, what you think, the education that you put into your brain, the people that you're around, your entire and total environment. You have the ability to turn genes on and off. So if you want to tap into those superior genes, then you have to get back in tune with nature and back in tune with your true biology. That's one of the reasons this class, I came forth with this class when I did, was to get people back in tune with their superior genetics, get back in tune with nature and their biology so we can awaken those superior genes that we contain. So this will be through diet, this will be through education, this will be through affirmation, what you speak, you create. This will be your environment, the people that you are around, the air you breathe, the water you drink, a combination of it all. So if you want to give birth to the supreme of beings, then you must place yourself in that particular environment with, being conscious of making sure what you consume physically is biologically compatible to who you are as an original melanated person. You want to make sure that you are around the right people that are speaking the words that you want to impregnate your subconscious first, because what you speak into the subconscious mind, the subconscious mind will give birth. You want to make sure that you're studying our ancestors. We have the genetics of the supreme builders of pyramids and ancient structures that were aligned to the cosmos. We had superior knowledge of the cosmos.
At the stop sign, turn left onto Kuykendall Road.
Of the planet, of the universe. So once we begin studying and continue to study, we will unlock and awaken those genes, because it's been in us the whole time. All of the greatness that we've ever seen on the planet from the original people, it all came down the line of who we are now. A lot of those genes were put to sleep.